see so many good friends. So, are you excited to be here today? Well, I thought so. Oh, hey pal, thanks for getting things started. And now that we're all together, I've got a surprise for you. You see, when folks from around the kingdom heard you were going to be here, well, they just had to come and give you a great, big welcome! Everybody's here. I think it's time to start the day. And that means it's time for just a little bit of magic.
Mickey! Is someone in need of magic?
Oh gosh, it's the fairy godmother.
She must have heard you, Mickey.
Why, hello, everyone. Oh, my, look at all of you. Oh, so many smiling faces, including yours. Now, how may I be of assistance?
Well, do you think you could help kick off our magical day?
Oh, of course, my dear. Oh, and I know just the trick. But I'll need everyone's help with the magic words. On the count of 3, we're all going to say, bibbidi, bobbidi,